Hey, good afternoon, everyone. This is the video for this PayPal $500 credit filler number one. This will fill the main. We are looking for top three. Three goes to the top spot, and then second and third each get one spot. So we are live. 218, 218. List here, 10 entries. Bruno on the top, Bruno on the bottom. We need 2 dice. 5 or higher. We got 6 times 218. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. We got Bruno, David, and Fred on the top. We've gone 5. We must go 6. Good luck. Wish coming your way. 218. 218. Last and final roll. Top spot gets 3. Second and third get 1. Congratulations goes to Roy, Fred, and Jason. Congratulations, you three. Go ahead and pick your spots in the main in order you won, please. We are done at 219, 219. So everyone else, thanks for playing. Take care.